Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft OneDrive files on demand in Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Microsoft OneDrive files on demand in Windows, start by ensuring OneDrive is installed on your computer. If OneDrive is not installed, download it from the Microsoft website and follow the installation prompts. Once OneDrive is installed, locate the OneDrive icon in your system tray. The OneDrive icon looks like a cloud. If you don't see the icon, click the up arrow in the system tray to reveal hidden icons. Right-click the OneDrive icon and select Settings from the context menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Settings tab if it's not already selected. Look for the option that says Save Space and Download Files as you use them. Check the box next to it to enable files on demand. Click OK to apply the changes and close the Settings window. Next, open File Explorer by clicking its icon in the taskbar or pressing Windows plus E on. In the left pane of File Explorer, locate and select OneDrive. You should see your OneDrive files displayed with different icons. Files with a cloud icon are stored online and will download when you open them. Files with a green checkmark icon are stored locally on your device. Right-click any file or folder in OneDrive to manage its availability on your device. Select Always Keep on this device to store it locally, or free up space to store it online only. To check if Files on Demand is working, right-click a file you want to access. If prompted, confirm that you wish to download the file. Files on Demand will now be active, allowing you to save space on your device. You can easily manage your files according to your storage needs with this feature. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled Microsoft OneDrive files on demand in Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.